For lapel grab releases, which is when someone grabs you by the shirt or the collar or the jacket or the hood or even the shoulders from behind, the grab is a lot different. When someone grabs you by the neck, their hands are open, but as soon as they grab your clothing, their hands close, which means their arm is a lot stronger and a lot tighter. So we need to make sure we know the difference between a lapel grab and a choke, and that we don't confuse our defense on how to get out from one to the other. Is it possible that they would work? Sure. But is it likely that they won't? Yeah, and we find that happens quite a bit in class. If someone's holding on to you, always assume they're stronger than you, and you need to do things that outsmart them as opposed to trying to end up stronger than them. We already know that they're strong. So if they're strong, their hands are strong from this position, we need to figure out how to weaken their wrist. If their arms are weakened, that's our chance to be able to get it. So we'll start with these all from double lapel grabs. If someone grabs you by the shirt and pulls you in or is locked in, we're going to take both hands at the same time and try to lift and go through the middle. Now if you try to go like this, which everyone wants to do, you're probably going to fail. If you try to go up a little bit and go out, you're still going to fail. Your arms need to lift so that the elbows come over their arms and then extend. So what we recommend is put your hands together and lift your arms as high as possible before opening the arms. Their hands will slowly extend and open up. Try this as an exercise. Put your palms together, stick your elbows together. Some people can't quite do that. If you can get your elbows to touch, go up, 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 and then out. So again, together, up, and out. We call this one the volcano because we're going up, and then at the very end, we're letting the hands open and explode. In, up, and out. In, up, and out. The swim is almost the exact same technique, but done with one hand at a time. So when I say the volcano comes up and out, well, if someone's grabbing with two hands or even one hand, if you take that one hand and you shoot it straight up on the inside, you are going to break at their wrist, giving you a chance to escape. In, and then up. And then the other hand, and then up. So the person's grabbing with two, take one hand through the middle, one hand through the middle. This is also important if the person's grabbing really tight and you don't have a lot of space. If they're not giving you a lot of room to move, you may not be able to move both hands together. Up, over, and then down. Up, over, and down. You'll notice this looks like if you were doing the backstroke, you're swimming behind. So far we have the volcano, and then we have the swim. The third and final one of our basic releases is the pop up, pop down. The secret to this one is the step back. It's also the thing that everyone forgets. If you try to hit their arms are pretty strong. Try to pound on the top of them, not going to do a whole lot. Try to hit underneath, you might hit their elbows and hurt yourself. When you step back, their arms straighten out. I'll show you what I mean. I'm holding on to you, you step back, I extend. Now I'm losing my balance and my arms start to move. Even if I don't extend my arms, I'm still having to move, so I've moved and extended my balance. So when we step back, we pop up, we pop down. Again, pop up and pop down. These are with our open hand strikes. If you wanted to be a little bit more aggressive, punch up, punch down. Those look like uppercuts and hammers. Just be careful not to hit the person in the elbow because you're going to hurt your hand. So all three, we'll do each one 3 times. The volcano. Together, out. That's 1. Together and out. That's 2. Together and out. That's 3. And the swim. One hand up, back for 1. One hand up, back for 2. One hand up, and back for 3. The last one, step back, pop up, pop down. Again, feet together, step back, doesn't matter which leg, pop up, pop down. And the third time, pop up and pop down. Those are our 3 releases from a lapel or collar type of grab.